Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Anthem of the Seas. Right now we're in the Picture This studio. Check it out. This is the photo studio where they do photo shoots here on the Anthem of the Seas. We're on deck 6. Let's head out. Alright. Here we are. Ooh, looks like they're doing like practice or drills or something here for Spectra's Cabaret here on the Anthem of the Seas. This is the 270 lounge. It's a beautiful lounge where they have, of course, shows like Spectra's Cabaret. They've got the video screens up. Alright, look at this. Alright, lots of seating up here on the balcony level on deck 6. I find this odd that there is a library, of all things. A library here where there's loud music going on. That's just silly that they have a library up here inside of 270. You can hear in the background all the music going on. Yeah, imagine trying to read a book with all that going on. Alright. Alright, let's go down here. Down to the floor level. It's going to be deck 5 of the 270 venue. Here's a little behind the scenes. Yeah. Alright. Of course, naturally, there'll be a bar. Gotta stay hydrated. Today we're in port. We're docked in Hong Kong. Yeah, a little foggy out, a little rainy. Hong Kong. There's a lot more seating available over here. Yeah, checked out the robo screens. It's a lot more spectacular with the whole show going on, but check that out. Those are 100-inch TV screens on robotic arms, so they can actually move and dance. Wow. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright. Up here on the right is Next Cruise, where of course you can book your next cruise. On the left, if we're open, would be the Cafe 270. Great place to grab some snacks, grab some eats. In case you're exiting the town, here's they have one of the gangways. On the left is Vintages. Nice place to grab a drink. Up here in the Via, they have a couple shops. Got this cool sculpture here. Over on the left here is Jamie's Italian specialty restaurant. Italian food, obviously. Hello.
How are you again?
Very good, very good. Yes, good memory. Hi. I'll see ya. Alright. Can't believe some of the crew members can remember you, your name. You know, sometimes several days, sometimes several ships ago. It's just crazy. Alright, as you can see by the sign, we're going to enter the Royal Esplanade. This is kind of like their main street. Lots of shops and restaurants on board. Alright. Being that we're in port, a lot of people are off the ship. Wonderland over there. Okay, that's fine. All right. Yep. Sure. Thanks. All right. Yep. And there it is, into the Esplanade. Shore excursions right over here. The Boom Desk. And the Bionic Bar. Looks like the robots are taking a break. Resting right now. These robot bartenders mix up your favorite beverage. Up ahead is Izumi. Another view of the Esplanade.
You've been here before? What's the problem?
Mr. Michael, you are busy, huh?
Oh yeah, how are you doing? Hi.
I see. Nice camera.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Yeah, it's crazy how crew members can remember you. And apparently they like the camera too. Up here on the right, the Scooter Bar was a popular favorite place. Always do trivia and games, live music. That's the Scooter Bar. Up ahead, here's the Focus Photo Gallery, where you can see like all the photos the wonderful ship photographers have taken of you. There's a view down in there. Up ahead, the Royal Theatre. The theater is closed right now, so can't go in there at the moment. That's where it is. Let's head down. Down here on deck 4. Oh. All right. The music hall over there. Here's the Crown Lounge. Let's take a quick peek inside. Inside the Crown Lounge, of snacks, hors d'oeuvres. Very popular coffee machine. During happy hour, they'll have other beverages available as well. It's a nice size Crown Lounge. Hello, greetings. Hey, hello. Yeah. Yeah, thanks. All right, we'll catch up later. All right. It's like the Michael fan club. All right, we're inside the music hall. Alright. Music hall, of course, like the name implies, live music usually is performed here on the stage. Plenty of seating up here. Of course, there's a bar. Don't want to go thirsty. They have billiards. It's amazing. These billiard tables are complimentary. No charge to play games of pool. There's this one. Number 2, and in the distance you can see pool table number 3 and a better view of the bar. Yeah. This is Music Hall. We're back out in the Esplanade. There's a few stores out here. Got this giant chair. It's always a popular spot. The Brass and Box. It's like an English pub. More stores, restaurants, the ever so popular Sorrento's, great place to get pizza. There's the front of the Brass and Box, the English pub, and Sorrento's. Alright, so you go this way, towards the back of the ship. I see Boleros here on our right side. Over to the left here is guest services. And at the back of the ship they have the restaurants. The Anthem of the Sea still has 4 themed restaurants: Silk, American Icon, The Grand, and Chic. Hello. Can I take a peek in the restaurants? Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. This is Silk. An Asian themed restaurant. And here across the ways is the American Icon Grill. Kind of dark in here as the restaurants aren't active right now. We're kind of between meals. Just wanted to show you. All right, let's head down to deck 3.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention please? This is a safety announcement from the bridge. We are presently engaged in refueling. We kindly ask you to refrain from smoking all over the place.
All right, this is Chic, one of the restaurants here on deck 3. And now we're entering the Grand. Oh, nice, the lights are on in here. And those are the 4 main dining room restaurants they have on Anthem of the Seas. As we head forward, kind of see it. That's the casino, where fortunes are won and sometimes lost. Actually, most of the time lost. since we're in port, the casino is closed. And so we're easily able to enter and video inside the Casino Royale. Plenty of slots over here. Of course, a bar. Plenty of table games. Lots and lots of table games here. Here in the center of the casino, lots of table games. I'm really not good at these games. Usually when I come in here, I just make a donation. Don't know why I keep coming in here. Oh well. But there it is. The casino on the Anthem of the Seas. Look at all these table games. Lots of table games. And plenty of slots too. Slots. So many that they extend out here in this hallway, here behind Music Hall. They actually have more slot machines. Look at that. More slots out here. More slots. Hello. Alright. Over here, we're actually behind Music Hall right now. So I should get to slip in there through the back entrance. I always thought these mirrors are cool. Look at this. Ooh, it's like a floating skull. Hi guys. That's always fun. Alright. And let's go in Music Hall. Alright, this is the lower level of Music Hall. There's a bar down here as well. And here's the stage. The dance floor here at Music Hall. Look at this. All the seating up there at the balcony level. Up there at deck 4. Got this elegant staircase here. The lights. And this lower level of Music Hall. And of course, here's me, Mystery Shadow 1969. Hope you liked this tour. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.